guys. So we're gonna be doing bicycle kick with some random stuff. And this is my brother Cameron.
I am the real.
Don't see now.
I'm the real Ricardo Jr.
He's lying.
That's my real name.
He's lying.
No name.
Come, let's do it. First, what's up?
Yeah.
Hey man, stop telling my friends what nonsense you.
Me and my brother. He's trying to do the bicycle kick.
Okay, they know. I told them. 3, 2, 1. First, what the sock?
First, with the sock.
Can you please move back? What though?
Okay, you win.
Okay. Hey man, what kind of pass was that? This guy makes me miss the whole sock. No,
He did it.
where's the sock?
Bruh, touch your feet.
Where's your sock? One more
Are you
time.
blind? Oh shit.
I want a good pass, man.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Again.
Yeah,
Again.
I'll kill you.
Okay. Where's the sock?
This
Where's it?
on your pillow.
Huh? I want it like this, okay? Like this. Munda.
Okay, go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Don't call that a must.
I'm gonna hit your butt.
Let's go. Sock done. What's next?
This is the big one. This. Now it's my turn with the sock.
No, I still gotta do the ball. The random ball.
Yeah.
Wait,
Hit the
let me
ball.
quickly fix the bed.
Because
My face is angry like a bitch. Let's just do it.
Oi, bro. Almost let me fall.
Again.
Why?
I didn't do it nicely. We're gonna form a part 2 for this guy. Come on. What the? Munda. Form a part 2. You really thought I was gonna.
Oh, did it.
We're gonna form a part 2. See y'all.